What's up?
I don't know. What are we doing in our video today?
Well, I think that this is the what's in the box video. Okay, so
Interesting.
I've had some people send some stuff.
Okay.
And I want to share it with our audience before I open this stuff. So I got 3 boxes, okay? I believe all 3 of these are from ham radio people. So we got this US priority one, got another little US priority, got damage and shipping. And then we got this monster box, and this thing weighs like 60 pounds. So who knows? Maybe it's a big fat Johnson transmitter. Wouldn't that be cool? Okay. So let me get the camera in here and we'll start with a smaller one, medium, large. Sound good? All right. People can't actually hear your thumbs.
I know.
All right, time to move the cameras. Stand by. First box.
Okay.
Like I say, there's a little bit of shipping damage.
Yeah.
But it made it. Okay, so this one comes to me from a ham radio operator in California. His name's Bill Ray. Right?
Okay.
So there's a couple goodies in here. Looks like a letter. Ooh. With maybe a little checkerino. Okay,
Maybe.
We'll get to that in a minute. And then we got this.
What is this?
This.
What is this?
Well, this appears to be kind of a military attenuator. You know what an attenuator is?
Do I look like I know what an attenuator is?
Well, we'll go into this later, but it's very cool. Looks like it's not been used. It's got a couple little BNC jacks. You know what BNCs are?
Do I look like I know what BNCs are?
Excellent. Okay, we'll get her on the next one. Here's another little Wizmo Gizmo in here. Oh, there's a couple. Look at that. Look at there.
It's slinky, right?
Well, you know, well, let's not damage it. Okay, so this could be like a...
I'm not the one damaging it. How am I the one damaging it?
You know, I believe this could be a couple things, okay?
Okay.
So it could be like something that goes over a tube, maybe to shield it or provide cooling, because you got all these little ribs, right?
Right.
It could be a pickle stand. So if you're eating, you know, most pickles lay on the plate horizontally.
I hate that. They need to make one of this.
It's very sad.
I know, it's so
you
sad.
could put a pickle in here and it would actually adapt to the size of the pickle and hold it vertically.
Right. Or it's a slinky toy that we can just destroy and crash for my brother.
Okay. All right, next. Okay. We got some radioactivity stickers, right?
Yep.
And I believe in the letter, you may tell what those are for. Yeah, so the stickers did come from Vandenberg Air Force Base. I was actually stationed there, right? I think I told you the stories. So he said that this is a donation to D-Lab. We're not going to reveal the amount. It is a check, so I bet you it's more than $1. Because it probably costs you more than $1 to write a check. You know what I mean? So that's very cool. I will be applying this to D-Lab because you know what I'm doing here in about 3 weeks? We're having this whole floor redone. So, yeah. So right now, my floor is like this. Okay.
I thought the boss said it was going to be in about a month or 6 weeks.
Something like that. We had to order the materials. Okay. So this will be applied towards the new D-Lab floor. Okay. So very cool. All right. Next box. Okay. Now the next box, Emmy. This one comes from a guy in Ohio. Can you say his name? Just try.
Van Dim Gluck. Sorry if I said that wrong.
Well, okay. So yeah. So this guy is in Pepper Pike, Ohio. Pretty interesting place. And what I noticed is when you take this box, listen. There's something liquid in here. So the freaky thing is, if this was a bottle of wine, I think it'd be a longer box. Okay, so I'm gonna have to be very careful opening this.
That's satisfying.
Yeah.
Watching that happen. I want to watch that again.
Yeah, I bet. Okay, so let's open up the box. Oh no, this is not wine, buddy. This looks like toilet cleaner. It is. You know what?
Unless this is disguised as wine.
You know what this is? This wasn't a gift from anybody. Marcia was having a tough time finding the works to clean the toilet, especially after your brother's been in there because he kind of misses. Marcia, this wasn't for me. This was for you. Yeah.
Is there 2 of them in there?
Yeah, there's 2 of them in here.
They told me it wasn't coming till next week.
Yeah, well,
Cool.
great. So I thought that somebody on YouTube sent me wine.
Oh, that's great. I love it.
Yeah,
That's
whatever.
perfect.
Get it out of here. I don't want it.
I love it.
Yeah, so it came from Vandam Glurk or whatever his name is.
You know, that's not what it said on the site, so what can I say?
It's very freaky, Marcia.
Well, yay! Now I can actually clean the toilet.
Excellent. You know, it's been months since we've had a clean toilet. So it's going to be nice seeing the golden color go away and have it back to white.
It's a good thing you're kidding.
I am kidding. We have another
That's
box
good.
to open.
All right, open your other box.
Right
Shoot.
to.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Yeah, that was
Shoot,
good.
shoot,
That was
peasants.
good. I really thought I had some wine.
fly.
I thought it was like a bag of wine that somebody put in the box. Oh, I blew that. Yeah. Good video moment. Good video moment. All right.
That was excellent. You're going to get a lot of comments.
I
I
sure
just saw
will.
the toilet bowl cleaner and I died.
Watch the old knifey there, girl. All right. Now we have the gigantic box. Okay. Now I know for a fact that this is not a whole box of toilet cleaner.
Probably. Maybe it's a whole box of wine.
That would be really cool. But what I've noticed
You
though,
wish.
if this was wine,
Who's this spot from?
secret. Remember? This person asked me to be anonymous. They do
Okay.
not want to be identified.
Oh, I can't even
So
tell. Huh.
good, because you can't read yet, right? All right, here we go. Zing zow. I'm gonna go around this. I'm gonna get the shipping label out of here so that you don't read it.
Careful for your
Whammo.
neighbors. They could probably pause the video and be like,
Yeah, well, we're gonna move the camera here in a second. Put it right over the top so everybody can see this as I open it. Okay? Because you don't know what's in here either. That's good.
I don't.
You know what
Do
I think? Yeah. Well, you know what I think it is.
An amp.
No. Plutonium. Do you know what plutonium is?
No.
See, there's so much to learn, Emmy. So much. Okay, I need to move the camera.
So much
Stand
fun.
by.
Good to see my lovely feet.
Yeah, nice socks. Yeah.
You know what
Okay.
it says?
What?
It says my day.
Midas?
My day.
You know what Midas is?
Nope.
They used to do like, I think mufflers and paint jobs on cars. You don't care, do you?
Nope.
They can't see nothing but your feet. Okay, all right, here we go.
Alright. You didn't. Oh, okay.
Opening the box. Okay, don't need that.
I forgot we were recording a video.
Yeah, we are. Oh, guess what? There's a box within the box.
Oh my gosh, the best
Yeah.
gift of all.
This is, you know, that styrofoam, I cannot believe that that piece of styrofoam weighed 60 pounds.
I know, right?
It's amazing. It really is. Okay.
Well, you forgot about the box, and you know.
Yeah, well, the box in the box. So that's always a good thing because, oh. Did you see what I saw?
Yeah, just a little.
That is a lot of toilet bowl cleaner in here.
I know, right?
It's just a lot of it. We're not going to live that down. Just wait till people watch this.
I know.
Holy crapola.
That.
Do you guys see what I see? Wowzers.
It's either that or we're just blind. Don't break
I'm
it.
not breaking it. If it's not broken here the way it is, it's not going to be broken, okay? So what we have here is just a gigantic pile. can you like maybe help me? So just like hold this flat at least. Oh boy, this is the kind of help I get, people. All right, yeah, we got a gigantic box of Johnson roller inductors. This looks like it's from a Viking 2. Okay. Coils. Just a lot of heavy Johnson parts, guys. A lot of ceramic switches, like band switches. I believe that is from a Valiant. Okay. So some of these wafers go bad, Emmy, and people kill for this stuff. Okay. So yeah, we just got a gigantic box. That one's probably not very marketable. Anyway, lots to sort through here. There's a spinner knob from a Viking 2.
I'm gonna go before you
Looks
ask
like
me
a
for
lot
help.
of, oh, no, what? I'm just looking. See, a lot of this looks like from Johnson Viking 2s. Quite a bit. A lot of the roller inductor assemblies. So, if you guys are looking for some of these hard to find Johnson parts, I think we just got a gigantic box full of it. A lot of nice knobs, those original knobs. We got some sift sorting to do here. Wow, that's quite the pile. Rito? Yeah.
You're kidding.
Yeah. At least there's no mice in here.
This is my favorite part, okay?
What's that? The tape?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. So
this is why, ready?
that's a good place for tape. Of course, nobody can see what you're doing. You're right. Excellent. So let's get the camera over the top so they can get a real good visual, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now here's a close-up of the contents of the box.
The box.
The box. The big box.
The Mandalorian box.
Yeah, I mean, there is some heavy metal in here. Lots of goodies. I'm going to have to get down to the bottom of it. I think I'll let Emmy inventory it. But look, I mean, there's some of those big old transmitting caps, roller inductors, porcelain insulators, switching. Some good stuff. We'll put it in the inventory. So if you guys need some key pieces for Valiants and Viking 2s, we just got the mother load. Well, that wraps up the box opening video here at D-Lab Electronics. So 2 out of the 3 were actually donations. It's good.
Right.
The toilet bowl cleaner, I think Marcia actually put that one in there just to fool me. I really
And I
did.
think it was my favorite part, though.
It was, and it is a necessity.
It's a nice change.
It is, and you do want your toilet clean, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
But when it comes to old radios, I like them dirty and musty. Right? Right, Toe?
Right toe.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed it. Next
Wait.
pile of boxes I get, what?
Forgot to mention.
Oh, yeah.
So I can do right toe without saying it.
Oh, let me see it. Excellent. Yeah,
I didn't show him.
sign language for right toe.
Right toe.
Right toe. We'll see ya.
Bye.